Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have some incredible news that's going to change the way you work with Excel forever. Microsoft has just made a groundbreaking announcement. They are bringing Python to Excel. Yes, you heard that right. Python, the programming language that's taking the world by storm, will soon be integrated into Excel. Trust me, this is going to blow your mind. If you have ever found working with Excel a bit time-consuming or even a tad boring, get ready to be amazed. Now, before we dive into the details, let's clear up any doubts you might have about Python. If you're not familiar with it, don't worry, we have got you covered. Python is a versatile programming language that's currently one of the most popular and sought-after languages in the tech world. It's making waves in the software engineering and corporate realms, with a growing community of developers and enthusiasts. If you're curious about what a software engineer is or does, don't fret, we actually have a video on that topic, so be sure to check it out. Python isn't just a buzzword. Python is that kind of programming language that shines every time. It is loaded with features that make it stand out. It's open source, meaning it's available for everyone to use and contribute to. Coding in Python is a breeze. It's easy to write and read, making it a great choice for beginners and experts alike. The language supports object-oriented programming, which is a powerful way to organize and structure your code. And guess what? Python even supports creating graphical user interfaces, making it versatile for different types of projects. With a large and active community, you'll always find support and resources to help you along your coding journey. Python, a high-level programming language. Python is a high-level programming language that prioritizes readability and simplicity. It was created by Guido van Rossum and was first released in 1991. Python's syntax emphasizes code readability, which makes it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. There are some important features are: Number 1, readability and simplicity. Python's syntax is clear and concise, resembling natural language, which makes it easy to read and write code. This minimizes the learning curve for newcomers. Number 2, open source. Python is open source, meaning it's freely available and can be distributed, modified, and used without any licensing fees. Number 3, versatility. Python is a general-purpose language, suitable for various applications such as web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and more. Number 4, large standard library. Python comes with an extensive standard library that provides modules and functions for various tasks, reducing the need to write code from scratch for common operations. Number 5, interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language, meaning code is executed line by the Python interpreter. This allows for rapid development and easy debugging. Common uses of Python. Number 1, web development. Python is widely used for creating web applications, either through frameworks like Django or Flask, or by directly building APIs and web services. Number 2, data science and analysis. Python's libraries such as NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib make it a popular choice for data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Number 3, machine learning and AI. Libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn empower developers to create machine learning models and artificial intelligence applications. Number 4, automation and scripting. Python is excellent for automating repetitive tasks, system administration, and writing scripts to streamline workflows. Number 5, Scientific computing. Python is used extensively in scientific research and engineering due to its capabilities in numerical computing and simulation. Number 6. Game development. Python can be used to develop simple games and interactive applications using libraries like Pygame. Python's popularity continues to grow due to its versatility, ease of use, and a thriving community. Its ability to handle diverse tasks across different domains, along with its readability and support, has positioned it as one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Python offers a wealth of tools and resources to bring your ideas to life. Excel users will now be able to create formulae, pivotables, and charts based on Python data. They can also bring in charting libraries like Matplotlib and visualizations, violin plots, and swarm plots. Microsoft has partnered with data science platform. Alright, let's get to the exciting part: how Python is going to revolutionize your Excel experience. Imagine creating formulas, pivotables, and charts, but now powered by Python data. You can take advantage of powerful libraries like Matplotlib to craft stunning visualizations like violin plots and swarm plots right there in Excel. And guess what? Microsoft has teamed up with data science platforms to take things even further. But here is the real game changer: those charts and visualizations you use for meetings and seminars. You can now seamlessly create them in Excel using Python. That's right, no more hassle of switching between tools. You can harness the power of Python to prep and design your data, all with a simple click. And speaking of Python, for those of you who are wondering what a .py extension is, it's the file extension Python scripts use. So saving your Python work is as easy as adding .py to the end of your file name. We all know Excel is already a powerhouse when it comes to data handling, but with this integration, it's stepping up its game. The marriage of Excel and Python is like giving a turbo boost to your data tasks. Whether you're a seasoned Python pro or an Excel aficionado, this fusion is set to blow your mind. Excel is already the vast, but after joining this we will more powerful than any other tool. If you haven't tried Python or Excel, then definitely use it, will blow your mind. So there you have it, the incredible news that Microsoft is bringing Python to Excel. This is a game changer, a leap forward in simplifying data tasks and enhancing your data visualization capabilities. If you haven't already explored the world of Python or haven't fully tapped into Excel's potential, now is the time. Get ready to supercharge your data game and prepare to be amazed. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting tech updates. Until next time.